I'm sure you've heard the news buying a home in Australia isn't getting any easier, but with the right mortgage moves, you can still get ahead. Let's jump into some smart strategies. First up, don't settle for the first rate you see. Lenders compete for your business, so compare rates online and don't be shy about negotiating. Next, check your credit score. A higher score means better deals, so fix any mistakes before you apply. Third, consider offset accounts. They help reduce the interest you pay, letting you pay off your loan faster. Also, make extra repayments when you can. Even small amounts add up and cut years off your mortgage. And here's a pro tip: ask about loan features like redraw facilities for extra flexibility. Finally, get pre-approval before you start house hunting. It gives you confidence and bargaining power. Remember, a little research saves you thousands. Happy house hunting.